Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series, our today's question is what is the acceptance criteria for porosity in a welder qualification test according to ASME Section 9? So as well as you know that for welder qualification test the acceptance criteria is given in ASME section 9. So in ASME section 9 you have the acceptance criteria for welder qualification test, and as per this the acceptance criteria for porosity is 20% of the total weld thickness excluding any reinforcement, or 1 by 8 inch or 3 mm, whichever is smaller. Means either 3 mm or 20% of the total weld thickness, whichever is smaller will be the acceptance criteria for porosity. Let me explain you further. For example, just take an example that the weld metal thickness is 10 mm, then 20% of 10 mm will be 2 mm. Hence in 10 mm weld metal thickness the acceptance criteria will be 2 mm or less. But take an example of 20 mm, 20 mm. Take an example of weld thickness with weld thickness having weld metal having 20 mm thickness. So for 20 mm thickness the 20% of 20 mm will be 4 mm, and in this case 3 mm will be applicable. Means acceptance criteria will be 3 mm or less, because if you'll compare 3 or 4, 3 will be the smaller, hence the acceptance criteria will be 3 mm. Friends, please join my channel to support my initiative, and please comment about the quality and contents of the video. Did you like this series of 1 minute, one question? Please write in the comment box. Thank you very much.